Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and if you're anything like me, you hate to go on vacation and wait in traffic. Well, today we're going to give you faster to the fun tips right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now let's go have some fun.
Flip-flops clapping on the boardwalk wood, cold drinks sipping and it tastes so good. Shoppers buzzing high in the sky. Every day at the beach is like a Friday night. We're beaching with the booze, living life between the water and the dunes. Waves are crashing to our tunes. Every day's like summer when you're beaching with the booze. And we're beaching with the booze, living life between the water and the dunes. Waves are crashing to our tunes. Every day's like summer when you're beaching with the booze.
Myrtle Beach, the gem of South Carolina, has been welcoming thousands of visitors each year to its beautiful coast. Of course, Myrtle Beach is the center of the Grand Strand, which has over 60 miles of sandy shores and endless adventures. Today, we'll tour an area of Myrtle Beach where you can stay just steps from the boardwalk, close to many activities, and of course, just a stone's throw away from the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. We'll start our tour on the famous boardwalk, right on the back side of the Skywheel. The boardwalk offers a wide array of activities, restaurants, and family attractions. And as we pass the Skywheel, this will give you a good indication of how close the boardwalk is to Myrtle Beach's Ocean Boulevard. Making our way down the boulevard and passing the Skywheel on the front side, we'll hit our first hotel, the Holiday Pavilion, which is located only 656 feet from the Skywheel. The Holiday Pavilion provides accommodations like an outdoor swimming pool, free parking, a fitness center, and a tiki bar that is just as popular as the hotel itself. Leaving the Holiday Pavilion, we'll hit one of the many restaurants along the boulevard, like the ever-popular Riptide's Oceanfront Grill and Rooftop Bar. And across the street from them, you'll find the Beach House. Both have excellent food and drinks, like fresh seafood, prime steaks, and fresh local favorites. Traveling a bit further, and just a few steps away, you'll find the entrance to Pier 14. This restaurant also has great seafood and local favorites. But we'll discuss that one in just a few minutes when we swing around the backside of the boardwalk. But continuing, we'll make our way toward the Yachtsman Oceanfront Resort. The Yachtsman is just steps from the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk and within walking distance of the Skywheel. With a room at the Yachtsman, you'll get a fridge, microwave, stove, and toaster oven. And this stapled resort offers a fabulous outdoor pool. Just on the other side of the Yachtsman, you'll find more restaurants in the Boulevard complex. Housed inside the complex, you'll find restaurants like Flavor Hills, Legends Sports Bar, and the Tin Roof. Whether you're looking for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you'll find something here to satisfy everyone in the group. Passing the Boulevard complex, you'll find the massive Ocean's Enclave. The Enclave is a grand Hilton beachfront property offering suites with a kitchen and a large outdoor pool. Right past the Enclave is Roxanne Towers. The Roxanne Hotel stands out for its low rates, clean rooms, and friendly, helpful staff. Plus, it has 2 on-site pools, lazy river, and jacuzzis.
Well, I'm not sure if you could tell, but it is a very windy day that we chose to show you these hotels. And right behind me is the Roxanne. So we're gonna see if it's a little better and not as windy on the ocean side. So come on, let's go walk down that ocean side.
Now let's swing around to the backside by the ocean. This particular location is where the boardwalk ends, and it stretches 1.4 miles south to the 2nd Avenue Pier, hugging the shoreline all the way. But of course, it's not the end of Ocean Boulevard, as it continues in both directions with unlimited hotels and restaurants. All of these close by hotels are within walking distance to the Skywheel and local restaurants and fun activities in Myrtle Beach. Whether you choose to walk down Ocean Boulevard or take the boardwalk, all of these places right here in this area are a great opportunity to get closer to the fun. Keep in mind when traveling to the beach this year, if you come during peak season, all the restaurants and activities will be very busy. So take advantage of any early bird specials and check on call ahead seating so you'll be prepared. As you can see, we made it to the other side of Pier 14, and this is how it looks from the boardwalk side of these hotels. So while you're here, if you do decide to travel beyond walking distance, always remember, paid parking is now year-round. But on a side note, Myrtle Beach always offers golf cart and scooter rentals. So one of our last restaurants on this tour will be Pier 14, and this is the one that we said that we'd circle back to earlier. This restaurant offers some of the best seafood on the beach, and the views are just as great. We have a video on this one as well, and we'll try to link it in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. And while we have you, if you like the information so far, how about give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for free, so you can keep up with everything that goes on around the beaches in this area. And also remember, if you're planning a pool or beach day, the early bird gets the worm, especially during peak months. And as you can see, we've made our way to the backside of Riptides. And not only can you get great food here, but they have plenty of activities right in their backyard. So if you're like us and want to stay out of traffic as much as possible until you're heading home, you can always stay in certain areas of Myrtle Beach that offer fun and excitement within walking distance. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at the beach this year. Until next time, keep beaching.
Well, if that hadn't made you want to book your trip today, then I don't know what will. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. See you in the next video. Hope to see you soon.